Hi, my name is Brent Sims. I'm the Director of Coaching Tools here at Kegel Training Center. One of the main things that I see people make a mistake on is how they practice. So what I want to talk about today real quickly is how to get more out of your practice. Practicing is like everything else that we do. You need to go in with a plan. Don't just show up and throw bowling balls. It's like going to the gym and just showing up at the gym and going, oh, this is a great place. I'm in better shape now. No, you can't do that. You've got to go in, you've got to have a plan, figure out what you're going to work on ahead of time, and then execute that when you're there. So bowling practice is exactly the same. So when you go in with a plan, you're going to get more effective practice in. So there's a couple of things that I like to tell people to go in and practice when they're there. One of them is to go in and work on your game in the physical aspect, meaning try to work on improving your timing, improving your release, improving anything physical about your game that you want to do something better, your footwork, anything like that. A lot of things that help do that is things like drills. So go in with a plan of drills. If you need some drills, there's some listed up on our YouTube page or on our Facebook page. You can go find them there. There's a lot of good ones there that kind of give you some different ideas of what to practice on. So that's always the first thing that I usually try to make a part of my practice session. The second thing I try to work on during a practice session is increasing my versatility. So I try to work on things such as my speed, working on playing different angles, or work on using different bowling balls and getting a really good feel for what those different parts of my game, what versatility I have with those parts of my game, so that when I'm in a competition, I'm more likely to try to execute some of those things. And then the last part of it is I try to make sure that I spend at least a little bit of time just trying to work on everything and kind of get back to normal, and try to combine all the things that I'd work on earlier in the day into one good session. So I think that really is a good plan for most people for practice. First part of it, try to expand on your physical game. Second part, try to become a little bit more versatile. And then third part, just try to bring it all together a little bit. I think if you go in and you practice like this, I think you'll find that your practice sessions are going to be much more effective and you'll get a lot more out of them.